Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I'm gonna prepare a breakfast and dessert recipe with a common ingredient, banana. Well, banana. There is nothing like a banana at breakfast to keep those mid-morning cravings at bay. Thanks to the healthy dose of potassium that lowers BP naturally. So bananas are particularly good choice for hypertension. So today I'm gonna prepare a breakfast recipe with banana, which is banana pancake dippers, which has the traditional banana and pancake flavor which we all love for breakfast, packaged in an adorable new way. So I'm gonna make a thick pancake batter and smother the banana slices in this batter, and I'm gonna fry it up, which in turn comes out super fluffy. So shall we dive into the banana pancake dipper recipe now? The ingredients required for banana pancake dippers are 2 bananas, and for the pancake batter 1.5 cup all-purpose flour or maida, sour cream 1/2 cup, brown sugar 2 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, whole milk 3/4 cup, baking powder 1 tablespoon, vanilla extract 1 teaspoon, 2 large eggs, and finally Nutella for dipping. I'm going to prepare the pancake batter now. So for that, first I'm going to add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida into a bowl. Next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And now I am going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Next, in a separate bowl, I am going to whisk all the wet ingredients together. For that, first I am going to add 3/4 cup of whole milk. Then I am going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now I am going to add the eggs one at a time. I am adding the second egg. So now I am going to whisk the eggs along with the milk and sour cream. I am going to stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla into this. I am gonna whisk the vanilla extract along with these wet ingredients. So now I am going to add the wet ingredients to dry ingredients. And I am going to stir this with a spatula until it is well combined. So now my pancake batter is ready. You can see the thickness of the batter now. Now I am going to cut 2 bananas into half. And then I am going to slit each half into third lengthwise. So next, in a skillet, grease the skillet with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Using tongs, dip the banana slices into the pancake batter. Place it on a greased skillet over medium heat. Cook the bananas 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden. So now you can see finally it is golden brown batter with crispy edges on the outside, and now it is ready to be served. You can totally enjoy these pancake dippers on their own, but today I am gonna take it one step further and I am gonna serve them with some powdered sugar and something sweet on the side to dip. So it's Nutella. Here you go. Banana pancake dippers is ready now. So I'm gonna taste my banana pancake dippers now. Wow, it's so yummy. I could really feel these hot caramelized sweet bananas with the crispiness outside. And these banana pancake dippers are such a fun idea for your breakfast. So I'm sure you and your kids are gonna love this. So I had tried this banana pancake dippers today with Nutella. You can try it out with different sauces like maple syrup, melted chocolate, caramel, jam, and also yogurt dip. So do try this banana pancake dippers and share your experience. Our second recipe is gonna be a dessert recipe with banana, and it is Banana Foster's, which is a New Orleans dessert, and the name comes from a frequent customer to the restaurant whose name was Richard Foster. So in this dessert, basically bananas are cooked in a buttery brown sugar sauce and then flambéed and then served warm over vanilla ice cream. So this dessert is 100% gluten free and 100% egg free. So shall we dive into this iconic Banana Foster dessert now? The ingredients required for this Banana Foster dessert are 2 bananas, salt quarter teaspoon, ground cinnamon half teaspoon, dark brown sugar half cup, and unsalted butter quarter cup, vanilla ice cream, and dark rum quarter cup, which is totally optional. For making Banana Foster dessert, I am going to slice the bananas now. Place the skillet on the stove and add quarter cup of unsalted butter over low heat. Once the butter is melted, I am going to add half cup of dark brown sugar, I am adding half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, I am adding quarter teaspoon of salt, now I am going to whisk everything together until the sauce is smooth, approximately about 3 to 5 minutes. So now I am going to add the sliced bananas to the warm sauce. Gently fold the bananas into the sauce, taking care not to mash them too much or break them apart. Cook until softened about 2 to 3 minutes. Now switch off the stove and add quarter cup of dark rum. Now light it on fire with a wand lighter. Now you can see the blue flame. You can see the flame is out now and the alcohol has burned off and evaporated away. You will be just left with flavor of rum, which goes really well with bananas and brown sugar, and adding rum is just a twist in tradition and it is totally optional. So now I am going to spoon the warm bananas and sauce over vanilla ice cream. This dessert is best served immediately while the sauce is warm and it can melt and melt with the ice cream. So I'm going to taste my banana foster dessert with vanilla ice cream now. The contrast between the hot and cold, sweet and creamy, rich and buttery is totally out of the world. Children and pregnant ladies, you can make it definitely without rum. So next time, if you're in search of a quick and easy dessert that will really impress, Banana Foster whips up in a snap. It takes only few minutes and with minimal ingredients, and they come together in the most incredible way, and the presentation is spectacular. So if you had enjoyed watching these two recipes, please do subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care.